Hi guys, today we're going to be replacing the exhaust flex pipe in this 2014 Kia Sorento. So my friends at mufflerexpress.com sent me this replacement flex pipe kit. It comes with the flex pipe, which you can see is very well made, as well as two new exhaust gaskets, new bolts, nuts, and washers. The first step in removing the flex pipe is to remove the bolts and nuts holding it in place. We started with the more difficult bolts on the exhaust manifold side, but it was very difficult to get access to the nuts with the exhaust in the way. So to give us a little more room, we just cut the old bolts at the back of the flex pipe and cut the pipe itself closer to the exhaust manifold. This gave us a lot more room, but I still couldn't get my impact wrench in place to remove the stubborn nuts. So we decided to lower the rest of the exhaust by unhooking the rubber mounts from the hangers. This gave us plenty of room and I definitely recommend it. Once we got the nuts off and removed the rest of the old flex pipe, it was pretty straightforward getting the new pipe in. The only hiccup we ran into is we didn't realize there was a slight model change in the Sorento in 2014 where the flex pipe went from 2 hangers to 1, and neither of the 2 on the pipe would fit on the rubber mounts. But since we were already this far along and everything else fit, we just cut the hangers off both pipes and welded the old one in place. In the future, I'm going to have to pay more attention when ordering parts. Well, here's everything all bolted up and no leaks. I would like to thank the guys at Muffler Express for the quality parts and fast shipping. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.